The Pfizer vaccines have started to arrive in Europe, that is still reeling from the latest surge in the number of COVID-19 infections. Now, all 27 European Union nations are expected to begin their mass immunization plans from today. Through a special video message, EU Chief Ursula von der Leyen announced that all EU nations have received the very first doses of their COVID-19 vaccine. The first dose of the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine arrived at a Parisian hospital on Saturday. France so far has roughly received over 19,500 doses of the Pfizer vaccine in the first shipment. The vaccine doses will be repacked in the Parisian pharmacy and will then be shipped to the elderly care homes in Sevron and also in Dijon. Now, France plans to start its vaccination program on the 27th of this month, that is from today. The same time as the rest of the European Union nations.
La péremption qu'on a relevée là, quand on a ouvert les thermal shippers, la péremption elle est d'avril 2021. Sauf que là, les flacons qu'on va sortir, ils ne seront plus valables que 5 jours à compter du moment où on sort du congélateur à moins 80. Et valable 5 jours entre plus 2 degrés et plus 8 degrés, c'est-à-dire la température d'un réfrigérateur classique.
The two of the worst affected countries, Italy and Spain, also received vaccine doses on Saturday. In Italy, the vaccines arrived in Rome's Spallanzani Infective Diseases in a van from Belgium. The van, guarded by Italian police, consisted of almost about 9,750 doses of the Pfizer vaccine. Meanwhile, in Spain, the vaccines arrived at a warehouse in the central city of Guadalajara. As per the Spanish government, the country will be receiving an average of 350,000 vaccines every week. Now, the home of BioNTech Pharma, Germany, has also received its first shipment of the Pfizer vaccine. They were transported from Belgium to the North Rhine-Westphalia region on Saturday. The nation will begin its inoculation drive with about 1.3 million doses of the Pfizer vaccine. The vaccine that's been co-developed by the German pharma giant BioNTech and also the American drug maker Pfizer is already in use in places such as the United States, Britain, Canada, a lot of these Gulf nations, etc. The German health minister has said that the vaccination campaign against COVID-19 is ready to go, starting live from Sunday, and that it is going to make lives better in the whole of the European Union.
Wir starten die Impfkampagne mit großen Schritten. Bis Ende des Jahres werden bis zu 1,3 Millionen Impfdosen ausgeliefert hier in Deutschland. Und ab Januar dann Woche für Woche mehr. Fast 700.000 Dosen pro Woche im Januar. Über 10 Millionen Dosen BioNTech im ersten Quartal. Und wir rechnen, sollte die Moderna-Zulassung in den ersten Tagen des Januars kommen, mit weiteren 1,5 Millionen Dosen von Moderna.
The Pfizer vaccine was approved by EU regulators on the 21st of December, and all countries will begin the vaccination drive on the same day, which is the 27th of December, that is starting today, as a sign of unity amongst the member nations. This inoculation drive begins as more and more nations are reporting a presence of a new and a more transmissible strain of COVID-19. The pandemic has so far claimed more than 1.7 million lives and is still running rampant in much of the world. But the recent launch of the inoculation campaign has boosted hopes that 2021 could bring in some respite.
Co-presented by Skoda. Simply clever.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.